Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand minimum Hamming distance for error detection. So the concept of minimum Hamming distance, error detection and error correction by using block coding has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos because those are the dots that we have created and we are going to connect those dots in this video. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, so how the minimum Hamming distance can be used for error detection, that we will try to understand. The number of error bits a coding scheme can detect with a minimum Hamming distance of d is d minus 1. So for example, if this is the coding scheme means we are having 2 bits for data words and these 3 bits are the redundant bits added to the data words, which is going to generate a 5-bit code word. So all these concepts has already been discussed, hoping that you have watched those videos. So these 2-bit data words, 3 redundant bits will get added. With that we are going to create a 5-bit code word. So with this kind of coding scheme, so all these code bits will be generated in this way. So data words will be converted into code bits in this way. With this coding scheme, for any coding scheme, we can detect with a minimum Hamming code with a minimum Hamming distance of d. So these are the all possible combinations with these code words. So and these are the distances, these are the Hamming distances of each and every combination. And what is the minimum Hamming distance among those? The minimum Hamming distance is 3. So the minimum Hamming distance of this entire coding scheme is 3. With a minimum Hamming distance of d, which means here the minimum Hamming distance d is equal to 3. So with this minimum Hamming distance, with a specific coding scheme, the minimum number of the number of errors, the error bits that we can identify is d minus 1, which means the number of errors that we can identify for this coding scheme is 2. Okay, 2 errors can be identified for this coding scheme. How can we say that? How can we say that only 2 errors can be identified with this code word? So how can we say that is, for example, if you take any code word, let's take this code word. So the errors that can be identified is 2, which means try to change any 2 bits in any code word, try to change any 2 bits. Let's try to change this one as this one and this one. So if we try to change, these are the 2 bits that we have changed. So if we change any 2 bits, which means the error is 2 bit errors. So if you change any 2 bits of any code word, it is not going to resemble the same as that another keyword, another code word. So it is not going to be converted into another valid code word. Because why it is not going to happen? Because the minimum Hamming distance is 3. See here, if we change any of the 3 bits, any of the 2 bits, because the minimum Hamming distance between any 2 code words is 3, if we change any 2 bits, it is never going to be another valid code word, which means that this is an invalid code word, which means that this entire scheme is capable of identifying 2-bit errors. Think of that logic. The minimum Hamming distance is going to decide how many errors a coding scheme can detect. With a minimum Hamming distance of 3, we can detect error detection only, not correction. We can detect 2 2-bit errors, which means that in the transmission, if 2-bit errors has occurred, means we can detect. If more than 2 bits errors has occurred, means we cannot detect. For example, if we try to change 3 bits, there is a possibility to have, if we change 3 bits, if all these ones are changed to zeros, so this cannot be detected because it is going to be a valid bit. But if you change 2 bits in any of these code words, I am stressing this point again and again because this is the essence of this entire whole concept. If you take any code word and try to change any two bits in those code words, it is never going to resemble as another code word, because the Hamming distance, the minimum Hamming distance between these code words is 3. That is the reason. Okay, so this one is an invalid code word, so the receiver is going to identify that this is an invalid code word, so the errors can be detected. How many errors can be detected? 2 errors can be detected. On what factor does it decide? Depending upon, it is depending upon, it is the factors, the 3 parameters upon which the coding scheme is depending upon is, one is size of the data word, K, we have taken it as K. The other one is size of the code word, which is N, and the other one is D minimum. D minimum means minimum Hamming distance. So these are the 3 parameters upon which a coding scheme is going to be dependent upon. Okay, hope you got the clarity on this concept. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.